Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Rippling for Workforce Ops Strategy, complete guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for Rippling. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the page loads, locate the Login button on the top right corner. Click on the Login button to proceed. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you will see two fields, one for your email and another for your password. Enter your registered email address in the first field. Next, type your password into the second field. If you want to stay logged in on this device, check the Remember Me box. Once you have filled in both fields, click the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be taken to the Rippling dashboard. In case you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link below the login fields. You will be prompted to enter your email address again. After entering your email, click the button to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email from Rippling. Follow the instructions in the email to reset your password. Once your password is reset, return to the login page. Enter your email and new password, then click Login again. You should now have access to Rippling for Workforce Ops Strategy. Explore the dashboard and familiarize yourself with the layout. If you encounter any issues, refer to Rippling's support resources for assistance. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.